Guys, I have a very fun video for you today. I have a food video. Y'all know I love to eat. If you follow me on Instagram, my blog, you follow my travels and my trips, I love food. It's just the best thing in the world. Okay, so this company, israelpack, contacted me to do a review on their subscription box, OMG. And the fact that it's vegan too. I'm not vegan, I'm vegetarian. I do eat catfish and salmon from time to time. But the fact that it's vegan, even better. And also the fact that it's pretty much time for me to eat. It's like the perfect time for me to review this. So here's the box here. Oh, I'm so excited. I have not opened it yet, by the way. It's still sealed. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Starving. As y'all know, I'm doing intermittent fasting. So when it's time for me to eat, my alarm should go off shortly. I'm actually going to cut it off so you don't hear it and it won't interrupt me. But when it's time for me to eat, it's like the best time of day ever. Oh my goodness. Y'all have no idea. Okay. So I'm going to unbox it and share with you everything that's in there. Okay. So basically it's a box of food. It's like one of the biggest things. It also has like hair and skincare and things like that, which of course is right up my alley. This box is inspired by summer vacation, which is perfect because no one can travel really right now. So to have a box that kind of gives you that euphoria of being out of the country, being in Israel, is perfect, you know, to have cultural things to enjoy from there, because this is one of the countries on my travel list and I have not had a chance to go yet, so I'm excited. Let's open it. Enough talking. Have my box cover. This is cool. So it has the summer vacation catalog. So this is actually what I was looking at on my phone. It has one of these in here. It tells you everything in the box. It tells you about who started the company's feature. It's so cool to have that and then know the background where everything came from. All of your snacks. Okay. Oil treatment. Oh, I need that. Nail hardener. I need that too, because I always have nails. And in between, I need to strengthen my nails. Face masks. Handcrafted postcards, Jerusalem bookmark. So many things in here. Okay, that's not the fun part. This is the fun part. So I will have a code down below where you can get a discount on your box. And the code is for 35% off. So awesome. So the entire box is based around vacation without leaving home. So literally it has an itinerary in here. It tells you, you know, how to enjoy the best in the country. Trip of a lifetime. It will help you learn more about our beautiful country and even plan your next visit when everything gets back to normal. When I travel out of the country, I usually, oh my gosh. As y'all know, I went to Thailand. Well, you may or may not know. I went to Thailand for 10 days. I was in Morocco for 7 days. I try to go anywhere between 7 to 10 days or longer when I go out of the country to enjoy it. This itinerary is 10 days. Okay, I'm excited. Tells you about souvenir shopping. Like, this is the ultimate travel box. Like, literally. And it has a map. It has a map in here too of all the different landmarks and things you should visit. Wow. Okay. I haven't even opened the box yet. I'm already excited. So first things first, packaged really nicely. It has these in here. I think you call them like donuts. I don't know. I forgot. This is multi-purpose spice. Y'all know I love spices. It comes from Galilee area that is blessed with many herbs. They have the best aromatic flavor in the world. Can't smell anything yet. Let's see what's in here. It says sprinkle on everything. I might try it on my avocado toast when I finish this video. This is the spice here. I can't pronounce it. Za'atara. I really apologize if I'm butchering that, but this is the package. Tear to open. Okay. Doesn't have many calories. A lot of protein, which is great. 30 carbs, 32 fats, no preservatives, food coloring, additives. Okay, that's great. It can enhance the flavor of salads, breads, pastries, soup, meat, fish, cheese, eggs, and pieces. So basically everything, like I said. Okay, let's open this. Let's see the bottle. What container looks like. Okay, so it is a bottle. How do I get past this point? Come on. Oh, I don't think you take it out of the box. I literally think you open it like this. Ah! I almost got it in my nose. Okay, so I'm a weird person. I may or may not recommend doing this, but I do it with my spices at home. So I see no harm in doing it now. I'm gonna try it to see what it tastes like. I'm big on taste, if you didn't know. Trying to see what types of herbs in here. I can't tell, but I can already tell it will really enhance the taste on anything I put it on. I don't know what's in here. It doesn't have. Aww. This special package is dedicated to my late father, I can't pronounce that name, who was the sweetest father one could ask for, who over 40 years ago developed the finest cabricoli strain of Za'atara on an experimental form. That's so sweet. The main ingredient is hyssop. That's why I couldn't tell what it was, because I'm not used to that herb. It's a common herb which grew in biblical times and is mentioned many times in the Bible. Many varieties of hyssop still grow extensively in Israel and the Middle East. It was my father, who was one of Israel's first agricultural officers, was responsible for adapting the wild hyssop that was in danger of extinction from being overpicked into the cultivated hyssop plant that is still grown all across Israel. What is special about the hyssop used in his mix is that it's from superior Cavalcali strain that he discovered with its distinctive taste. Definitely has a distinctive taste. Okay, so it's cool. Has a Bible verse on here. Purge me with hyssop, and I shall be clean. Wash me, and I shall be whiter than snow. Psalm 51st chapter, 7th verse. Cool. I'm excited to put that on my avocado toast. That's exactly what I'm going to put it on, by the way. Don't judge me by my cover. I'm made from upcycled materials. It doesn't mean I'm not an art piece. Original, eco-friendly artwork featured in Tel Aviv Illustration Week. So I'm assuming this is the postcard because I looked at the catalog. And you're very careful. Don't want to mess anything up. That's cool. It has the picture. It is a postcard, by the way. And it has on the back who designed it. That's pretty cool. Trashion. Upcycle design, fine art, and tattoos. So these are the two people that put this together. I don't really send postcards. I mainly collect them. So I have a bunch of postcards that I don't do anything with. I just like to look at them. This is a soap inspired by the song Jerusalem of Gold, an unofficial anthem of Israel, full of biblical references and describing the Jewish people's 2,000-year longing to return to Jerusalem. So this is a soap. Oh, it smells amazing. Look at it. You can see it. You can't smell it though. I don't know why I'm getting y'all excited. You can't smell it. I'm sorry. Here's the soap. So adorable. I don't want to use it. It has like a souvenir type design on there. It says Jerusalem. It has gold metallic flecks of shimmer on it. Solid, premium, handmade in Israel. This is so cool to have this. I don't want to use it. I want to keep it forever. I like souvenirs from other countries. I'm gonna keep all this together. I don't want to spread everything out like this. Apply me to your cuticles. It's an oil treatment that will bring the nail salon to you. Naturally rich in minerals. It will keep your cuticles moisturized and stimulate healthy nail growth. Always for that. So this is this is the nail hardener. It comes in this box. BioSpa is the brand. Let's see if I can get this open. So it comes in a traditional nail polish bottle, which is cool. Easy to store. That's the bottle and packaging. It is clear. Excited to give that a try. I Will Become Your Favorite Book's Best Friend. It was created by an Israeli artist in collaboration with the Israel Museum, which features the most extensive holdings of biblical and Holy Land archaeology in the world. So this is the bookmark. Oh my gosh. Definitely gonna be my favorite bookmark. This is so cute. It's so intricate. I love it. So this is what this side looks like. It's two-sided. And you can see it's not flimsy at all. It's not made out of paper. It's so cool. And then this is the other side. Look at the attention to detail. That's amazing. I love this. You can hear it. Definitely is my favorite bookmark now. Can't wait to use it. So many nice pieces from Israel so far. Apply me to your nails. I will bring your fingers a little joy. Dreaming about manicure during quarantine. This nail hardener packed with minerals from the Dead Sea will strengthen and beautify your nails. Open this up. This is an oil treatment, so it's more like a cuticle oil. Comes in this package. It's green rather than orange, like the first one. And then, of course, it's the color oil. The color that cuticle oil normally is. This is the bottle here. And then the color there. Eat me. Oh, food. This is the most biblical snack, because it's made of only 2 ingredients. Both of them are mentioned in the Bible multiple times. Dates and almonds. No sugar added. Love to hear it. Notice how quickly I'm ripping this open. Okay, the brand is Tamar, 100% almond paste. Oh, they look so good. This is the package. Love cultural snacks. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they come in packages like this, individually wrapped. And there are 5 in here. I hate to eat this before breakfast, but today I don't care. I just want to try it. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. I don't think I've ever had dates. I don't normally eat in here. I'm making an exception today. This is great. I wish I could read this, but I can't. These are amazing. I'm gonna finish this after my breakfast. Those are so good. I'm sorry. I'm hungry too, so this will help my situation. I'm going straight for the food now. Sorry, my light cut out in the middle of me filming. Thankfully, I have 2 backup batteries. That's the reason I buy extra batteries, so I don't have to wait for the charge and I can move on. I'm going straight for the food, like I mentioned. Other things are gonna have to wait. These are guilt-free berry candies, natural, delicious, and sugar-free. Nothing but the real fruit, vegan friendly. This is the package. Oh, these are exotic fruit snacks. I love fruit snacks. This is what it looks like. I'm excited to see. I don't know what type of fruit. It just says exotic fruit, but I'm sure that catalog I showed you guys earlier tells me what it is or what type of fruit it is. Yes. Apple, concentrate, raspberry, gooseberry, banana, pectin, natural extracts, lemon juice, dietary fiber, oranges. And then also, if you want to know calories, cholesterol, nutritional facts of any kind, those are also outlined in this booklet, the catalog. So, just to let you know, even though you can't read what's on the package, it is in English in the book. So that's really helpful. Okay, so they aren't like different colors with unnecessary food coloring like we have in the States with certain fruit snacks. This is what they look like, if you can see those. I'm such a kid. I love fruit snacks. And are these seriously sugar-free? I don't believe it. It's so good. They're sugar-free. What? Blowing my mind. Okay, last food item. Guilt-free peanut butter chocolate cookies. Your taste buds will confuse this healthy snack for dessert. Low sugar, low carb. Hello, keto people. High in protein. So here's the package of that. I will be honest, I'm not the hugest fan of chocolate, so I'm going into this with an open mind. I'm gonna try them anyway and see how I like them. I love peanut butter though, so that might help balance them out. Okay, so they're literally little balls of cookies. They remind me of cookie dough balls. Okay, not bad. They actually taste like a Reese's peanut butter cup, except these are way healthier, obviously. Plant-based protein cookies. Wow, these are really good. I don't even like chocolate like that. I do like Reese's. No, it's weird. I don't like hollow chocolate. Like if it's all chocolate, no nuts, no peanut butter, nothing, I don't like it. This has peanut butter in it, so it's really good. It felt weird. This looks like a mukbang too, I guess. I'm eating on camera. I'm actually gonna put all of my food on top of my table so my dog doesn't eat it. Last item. Wear me and I will protect you with style. This is a face mask from a Tel Aviv fashion designer. Turns hygiene into cultural expression. Let's see. Ooh. I like the design. She has her business card in there. She also has an Etsy shop. You'll know Etsy's worldwide. I can't wait to see what else she has on there. Oh! Y'all know face masks are the new norm. Oh my gosh. I didn't know this is what they meant. And I love the fact that it's two-sided. You can wear it either on that side or that side. This will actually look beautiful. I don't want to mess my makeup up. This will look beautiful with the shirt I have on now. It's pretty on both sides, actually. Hold on, it's upside down. Yes. And then you can stretch it if you have a big face like I do. You can stretch it. This is awesome! And it does have a little lining in here. I feel it. Something's in between here. Oh gosh. This is awesome. I have a fabric face mask now. I'm so excited about that. That's it for my box, guys. I have a code down below for 35% off. Those snacks are amazing. And the fact that they're loaded with nutritional value that's not overly, that's not processed at all, not high sugar, and has high protein. It's a huge bonus for me. I love the fact that they include the catalog, in English. Some of the things in the box have English on them, but for the most part, it's in Israeli language. So it's nice to have something like a translator to tell you what everything is, especially it tells you the nutritional facts, how many calories, the background about all the products, and all of that good stuff. It's a really nice box. You can try some beauty products, some food at the same time. I know when I travel out of the country, I like to try everything that I can. I love to experience culture, and I truly feel like trying the things out of that box really helped me to experience the culture of Israel, and I'm really excited to travel there one day, hopefully. I pray, hopefully, I can go there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate it. Don't forget to check out my coupon code down below if you want to try one of these boxes for yourself. Highly recommend. By the way, turn on your post notifications. Like the video, subscribe. Did I say that already? I don't know. Anyway, talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching.